Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Ryan Glasgow, CEO of Sprig, to discuss how companies conduct research across product lifestyles and how it enables them to build better products in today's challenging market conditions. Ryan, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thanks for having me, Jill.
You got it. Explain to us what Sprig does.
Sprig is a full cycle research development platform. And what it allows is companies to embed user research at every step of their product development lifecycle. From the next big idea that they're working on to really testing designs, all the way through to deploying those products into their production environments and sharing them with their customers, and having in-product surveys pop up and really understand what's working and not working about those product experiences. We have a suite of research products that do this, and the two main products that we have, one is concept testing. So we have integrations with companies like Adobe and Figma, where our customers can take their design prototypes, add them into Sprig, share them with their customers, hear what's working or not working before they even move on to development. And second is really our post-launch research product, which primarily focuses on, like I mentioned, the in-product surveys that will really ask targeted specific questions in those product experiences to really hear from those users what's working, not working about those experiences.
You work with big brands like Dropbox, Adobe, you had mentioned, and Loom. How are companies using Sprig to build better digital products, especially in today's challenging market conditions?
This year, we're all being asked to do more with less. And every feature, every product launch where product development teams are really investing their resources is more critical than ever. Working with maybe smaller engineering teams, smaller design teams, maybe not getting all the hiring headcount that we had hoped for, but also more importantly, understanding how customers' needs are evolving this year, going to the next year with the macroeconomic conditions that are facing all of us. And so companies are really using Sprig to really reset of how does our product fit into our customers' lives, what's really working or not working about our customers, and really acknowledging that the product that we built for our customers last year, their needs have significantly changed. And we have to really reset all of our expectations and really, again, deeply understand what our customers are looking for from us, and actually rethinking in some cases, not only our messaging and positioning, but also our product offerings and how they fit into our customers' lives. So our customers of all shapes and sizes, Dropbox, Loom, Adobe, Square, just to name a few, are continuing to use Sprig to really deeply understand their customer needs and really think about how they can come out on top, not only during the macroeconomic challenges, but also on the other end when everything starts to grow and rebound as well.
And Ryan, you come from companies like Weebly, a Square company, Verb, which is a Snapchat company. What motivated you to start Sprig?
Prior to Sprig, I've been the first product manager at 5 different companies that went all on to be successfully acquired. Like you mentioned, Snapchat, acquired by Square as well, Weebly. And what I knew through those experiences is that I've had some major successes, but I've also had some major failures. And the main trend and pattern across those experiences was the user research. And if we could deeply understand the customer's problem and what they're really looking from us, from the product development team, that really enabled us to be successful. And so the correlation of user research and product development success is extremely high. And so after those 5 experiences, want to start a company to really enable other product development teams to really easily and quickly conduct user research so that they can have much more successful product launches themselves.
Yeah, that's great to hear how you leveraged some of the failures to make Sprig the success that it is here. It's a great lesson for anyone to learn. And let's wrap up here talking about a recent fundraising round that you just closed. What will that allow the company to do?
It really goes into 3 key areas. We did, 30 million just a few months ago. Earlier this year in April, May, in a very difficult economic period, but our investors, Andreessen Horowitz, Excel, first round capital, Elad Gil came to us and said, "Hey, really believe in you, double down." We hadn't touched any of our fundraising the year prior, but wanted to really come out on top and really come out as the market leader in the research category for digital product experiences. And so it's going into product development. We're aggressively, accelerating our product development roadmap, continuing to hire across product development teams right now here at Sprig. Also heavily investing in integrations and partnerships. So what are the other tools and platforms that are used alongside Sprig, and really building those relationships? Figma Ventures being one of our newest investors is a great example of that. And then lastly, sales and marketing. We're a company that's still in the early innings of getting the word out and building awareness. And so we're really focused on continuing to tell our story in the broader ecosystem.
All right. Appreciate the insight, Ryan. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks for having me, Jill.